Hello, I am Mark Crichton from DataWise. Welcome to the DataWise Report Writing tutorial on getting started with reporting. Today we will show you just how quick and easy it is to set up a new company and run a report. We simply log in by typing in the password 123456. Click the Enter button. We then want to set up a new company, so we select the Setup Wizard. Click Add a New Company. Enter the new company name. And because we are using MYOB, we will select MYOB Accounting Plus or Premier or Enterprise. Click the Next button. Read the license agreement and accept the terms by ticking the box. Click the Next button. Now we need to set up the connection to your MYOB data file. Select the MYOB data file by clicking the button and navigating to your data file. Click the Select button. We then need to select the MYOB program executable. We click the button. We are using Premier Enterprise 6, so we can see Premier Enterprise 6 is selected. We will select myobp.exe. Then click the Select button. We then need to type in the MYOB username and password for your MYOB file. In this case, it is administrator. There is no password. The next thing we need to check is that the MYOB ODBC driver is correct. We know the file is from New Zealand, it is version 12, and the driver is MYONZ0801, which is highlighted in the box. If this is not the case, then a message will be returned to you and you can go and install the correct driver. We will now test the connection. If the connection is successful, the information on that connection will be returned. Once we have done that, we can continue. Click the Next button. If we are in a multi-user environment, we can make a copy of the data file and work off that so that reporting is faster and doesn't slow down other users on the network. We do not need to do that, so we will click the Next button. This completes the setup process. We can now click the Finish button and go and run our report. We are going to use the report writer using live data. We simply click the button and this will bring us into the list of reports that are available. Here we have approximately 60 reports in the standard library, and we are going to choose report number 2, the chart of accounts, to demonstrate the program. You simply click on the report you wish to run, click the green arrow to the right to proceed to the next step. We then need to set the filter for the data we wish to see. In this case, we are going to choose to see just the account classification ID, which is equal to A. This will give us a list of just the current assets. We need to tick the box to apply. This filter here will not be applied because the box is not ticked. We then proceed to the next step by clicking the green arrow to the right. We can choose from a number of different outputs, including file or just to print. In this case, we will print a PDF. So we tick the PDF radio box and select File. This will render the file in Adobe in PDF format and allow us to view the report and check that it is correct. When we are done with that, we can close that file and proceed to the next step, which is to distribute the file. We click the green arrow. On the Output tab, we can email the file to those that we want. We can set up the email addresses in these various boxes and tick the box of the person we wish to send to or people we wish to send the report to. We can then put in the subject. The attachment is the name of the file we have created, the PDF in this case, and put any notes that we want to in there. We then simply click the email button, and the file will be sent through Microsoft Outlook to the people selected. This completes the process of creating a new company and running a report. Thank you for attending.